3 power 11 plus 3 power 11 plus 3 power 11 divided by 9 power 4. So first of all, here we write 3 power 11 is common. Then here remaining 1 plus 1 plus 1 bracket our divide by, we write divide by 9 power 4. We write 9 is 3 square and power 4 is same. So now here we write 3 power 11 multiply by 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3 power 1 divided by 3 power, multiply power with powers 4 to the 8. So now here we see 3 power 11 multiplied by 3 power 1. When bases are same, we just add the powers in multiplication. So we write 3 power 12 upon 3 power 8. So now here we write this is 3 power, we write 12 is 3 power 8 plus 4 upon 3 power 8. So now here we again we break this powers, so we write 3 power 8 multiply by 3 power 4 divided by 3 power 8. So now 3 power 8 and 3 power 8 is cancelled. So we write 3 power 4. So 3 power 4 is equals to 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So it's equals to 81. So 81 is our answer.